ouch. So KSI has lost a lot of money in cryptocurrency because of the Terra Luna FUD. Now, of course, most of the retail investors, the average Joe, so to speak, are probably suffering a lot more. But it's crazy to see that even some big people like this YouTube entertainer himself has actually lost out on a lot of money. So KSI crypto is actually what it's known for. So we can see here, Ola Jidi Olayinka Williams Olatunji, whose father is from Nigeria, is ranked as the 5th highest paid YouTuber in the world. So again, this is really, really not good for the cryptocurrency space because it's spreading a lot of FUD and it's deterring a lot of people from the blockchain environment because it looks such, it looks like an unattractive asset class right now because the risk looks ridiculous. It's labeled as a scam as well, and nobody wants to lose their savings, do they? So we can see here, this is the guy that famously recently sparred with fellow YouTuber Logan Paul, so he has a lot of money, of course. He's got a lot of cash flow coming his way, but he still lost all this money. And this is an image right here of basically his holdings after the particular event. It's got 157,000 Lunas right there, so that was an insignificant amount of Luna. If he bought that a few years ago, he'd be absolutely minted. So as we see, some crypto traders use his handle as a counter indicator, shorting the market when he buys and vice versa, longing when he is bearish. He has stated that he lost $8 million so far by attempting to trade crypto, often on leverage. So yeah, you could probably just do the opposite of what he does, and he was a bullish indicator whenever he's bearish or something like that. So we also see here, this is the available balance, went from 2.9 million all the way down to $1,000. Ooh. In a later tweet after buying Luna's dip, KSI shared screenshots showing he in fact first bought 2.96 million worth of Luna. At the time, the buy order was for 80.6k Luna. So this is what he tweeted recently. Alright, no more leverage for me. I think it's time to actually stop for good. And when it comes to leverage trading, please add a stop loss. This is what he put basically last year. Obviously, he could not resist the urge to FOMO back in. KSI has stayed optimistic, tweeting positive messages about what he'd learned from his time investing in crypto and how to deal with losses in crypto, because it can be extremely emotional. You could have long-term depression or something because of a particular event that occurred. I know people that have been liquidated and lost also their savings. They are still suffering today. They got too greedy. If they didn't get greedy, they would probably be even more richer than they ever were before. So pretty crazy to see that happen. A bit of news as well around the Terra Luna FUD as well. Polygon now to rescue Terra Luna. Polygon CEO took to Twitter to announce that they are closely working with the Terra projects to help them move the Polygon network. After the infamous Terra Luna crash, Polygon, the Ethereum scaling solution, is here to the rescue of the various Terra projects. As we see here, Ryan Wyatt, CEO of Polygon, tweeted, "We are working closely with a variety of Terra projects to help them migrate over swiftly to Ox Polygon. We will be putting capital and resources against these migrations to welcome the developers and their respective communities to our platform." Wyatt said that he stated the Polygon team is in the talks with a few Terra projects, so it's really nice to see other blockchain communities, projects also helping out with this terrible situation because they want to see those that lost money recompensated. What's also happened as well from Do Kwon, we've actually seen approval of the Luna Classic token, so we're getting a hard fork here. Not a lot of people want this. What's already happening as well, look at the revival plan as well. I'm going to include this in the description down below for you. You can see that a lot of people are not entirely happy about it, and what's happened at the moment is that there's been more tokens released, so more volume in circulation. So basically they're adding more fuel to the flames at the moment, and people are just annoyed about it. I mean, you've even got this guy making a joke like, I think I'll just buy Linu, which is basically a meme coin of it. So it's incredibly destructive, and as you see here, classic destruction of worldwide wealth. And here we've got another tweet from 5 hours ago. He tweeted, and it started with 11 million votes for the yes, 8 million, and it's at 6 million. It's rigged, fake votes. Basically fake votes. That's just terrible. That is absolutely terrible. This isn't real voting. It's an exit scam. The way I see it is Terra are just offering a new product, so it looks like that they're helping the people. This project costs nothing. In reality, the LFG should be giving Bitcoin reserves, back into the UST holders. They can take a snapshot of the particular cryptocurrency wallet holders. They can look at the smallest 1% wallet holders of Terra Luna before the DPEG event occurred, and they could actually, reimburse all these people with the reserves that they do have. So this is, again, it's all about money. They don't want to give away their assets. They could, they should. They pretty much owe blockchain everything, and a massive apology to every single person that is involved in blockchain, every project. And I'm really, really sad to see this, and I hope anyone watching this was not affected by the Terra Luna destruction. Also, want to show you what's going on in Bitcoin. We're down below 30k again, down below 2k for Ethereum. So the market sentiment is extremely bearish as we are heading back towards that 200-week moving average. I personally think we'll see a 20 to 25k Bitcoin over the next few weeks or months, and I think this is extremely bullish. It's an undervaluation reaccumulation opportunity. If you do want to load up on some crypto today to hold for the long term, we're looking at an 800 to 1200 day hodl before potentially taking profits. Then use my link down below to open up an exchange account and start grabbing some cryptocurrency today. Of course, I'm just some guy that makes YouTube videos, so you don't have to follow me, but so far following my own footsteps has done so gracefully well, and I'm going to continue buying more crypto, dollar cost average in and hodl until I need to get out. So that's about a wrap. Stay crypto safe, subscribe if you're new. Bye now, like, comment,